Renault is launching the Boreal in Brazil, an imposing and technologically advanced SUV that arrives to compete in the C segment. The vehicle is the fourth launch worldwide under the International Game Plan 2024 to 2027 and the second in Brazil. The Boreal uses Renault's ultra-flexible CMF platform first seen in the Kardian. This platform supports various body configurations and shortens development cycles. Boreal measures 4,556 mm in length, 1,841 mm in width, and 1,650 mm in height with a 2,702 mm wheelbase. The front fascia is heavily inspired by Renault's Niagara concept. Think sleek LED lighting, a bold grille, and a new backlit Renault logo that glows with geometric accents. Around the sides, there's strong Duster DNA, especially with the chunky cladding and the 19-inch diamond-cut wheels. But it's the rear that surprises the most. A large integrated spoiler, wide horizontal tail lamps, and sculpted surfaces give it a sporty and premium SUV appeal. Inside, the SUV boasts twin 10-inch displays integrated into a single unit, a panoramic sunroof, dual-zone climate control, and 48-color ambient lighting. Currently, the vehicle offers two upholstery choices with contrasting stitching: pure cool grey for Turkey and blue for Latin America region. The front seats are electrically adjustable with memory settings, and the driver gets a massage function. Additionally, the SUV features in-car Google integration and a premium Harman Kardon audio system. In the rear, the 40/60 split-folding bench seat features a central armrest and an easy brake system which speeds up the folding of the seats. Rear seat passengers also benefit from dedicated air vents and two USB-C ports. The Boreal has a boot capacity of 586 liters which can be expanded to 1770 liters. The Boreal integrates up to 24 advanced driver assistance systems, the most complete offering in the C SUV segment. The new Renault Boreal arrives on the market equipped with the renowned TCE 1.3 flex turbo engine developed in partnership with Daimler. The SUV is powered by a 1.3-litre turbocharged engine available in petrol or flex fuel variants. The flex fuel version delivers 160 brake horsepower and 270 Nm paired with a 6-speed dual-clutch transmission. It achieves 0 to 100 km per hour in 9.26 seconds. The SUV will offer 4 driving modes: Eco, Sport, Comfort and Smart, and 5 terrain modes: Snow, Mud, Sand, Off-Road, Eco and Auto. The model comes in 3 trim levels: Evolution, Techno and Iconic, with prices starting at 179,990 Brazilian Real.